I am so excited for what we're about to do today. It's something that I've been looking forward to for so long. Cannot wait. Can't wait to show you. The thing that I am so excited about today, something that we've been dealing with since we bought the property, something I've for months been going out there and trying to get rid of. I've been going out and cutting and mowing and sawing. KUDZU. Yeah, it just grows so fast. I mow and then it grows over where I mow. It's a mess. And the problem is, not only do we need to get it cut back, you know, for a yard, but we also need it cut back for breaking ground to build the house. So it's like, what do we do with it? Because I've tried so many different ways to get rid of it, and it is just incredibly hard to get rid of. So today, after much research, close call. Today, after a lot of research, I think I figured out how we're gonna get rid of it. Right there in that V. Get it and then weave it back up. So you want me to go right here? Yeah. So the way we've been doing this is we take an extension pole. We have a tow strap with a loop on each side that we run through to create a slip knot, and then we run it under all of the vines, get it from the other side, tow it out. Mostly we've been focusing on smaller clumps so that we can actually get the strap around it, but we've got chains to hook the strap to, and then we hook it to the truck up there and pull it out. Yeah! Sweet! Heck yeah. We're gonna have to reset to get it the rest of the way, all the way to the road. Look at all that. Such small clumps compared to what it was. Oh my gosh. Hey girl! See how this goes. Alright. Well, Thad, how do you feel about today?
Pretty good.
I feel pretty accomplished. We got a lot of stuff. This is Thad, by the way. This is my brother. He helped out. He donated his truck and a lot of work. He's in much better, what?
So just a lot of work.
A lot of work. He's in much better shape than I am too, because he ran a Spartan last weekend?
Yeah.
Last weekend.
Asheville.
Yeah, so this was nothing for him.
Right.
Me, I don't work out ever, so this was rough. Yesterday, we ripped out a ton of this KUDZU. I'll show you in a second. And today I'm gonna do phase 2 of maintaining the KUDZU. I'm gonna just cover it all. I don't wanna spray a bunch of poison on it. I wanna cover it all with plastic and just kind of choke it the rest of the way out. And we'll do some experimenting with that and kind of see what works best to kill everything. All right, here's what it looks like after yesterday's destruction. I've got to remove a couple trees. I've got to clear out that so I can get to, we've got some logs under there that I will use as weights on the plastic, that along with a lot of these blocks.
I wanna stay around, so make me yours, make me
lot more work than I expected, and I did not get enough plastic. As you can see, there's quite a bit more to cover. But I'll go ahead and explain why plastic. After pulling it up, I didn't want to have to come out here and constantly be cutting it down or spraying it with poison. I don't want to spend the money on poison. I also don't want to be spraying that amount of killer on the property. So I decided instead to just kind of choke it out. It's August right now, so it'll go into the fall and we'll be able to do some more clearing then. But so that's why we decided to do plastic. And then it came to the question of black plastic or clear plastic. Well, they both have benefits and could both be really great. Black plastic really limits the photosynthesis that happens within the plants if there's anything still underneath there. However, clear plastic allows for the photosynthesis and actually puts more energy into the root system, which creates more heat. So it seems like either one would work. However, the one difference that made me go with black plastic is because the black plastic doesn't allow light, unlike clear plastic, it doesn't kill fungus. So fungus will still grow under there in the heat and the humidity. Well, I really want all of that to just get wet and just rot underneath there. So hopefully by having black plastic, fungus will grow and decompose what's under there.